Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to sign up for Moco or Mo.co. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Mo.co application from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. Wait for the game to load, and once it does, you'll need to go ahead and select your age. Drag the little bar and choose your age and click on confirm. Now, accept all the necessary permissions and tap on the screen to start the game, and then you will be able to see some tutorials. First of all, complete that. Follow through the instructions and complete the in-game tutorials. Now you can go ahead and choose or customize your character's appearance, change the face color, eye color, hair type, colors, etc. After you are ready, click on Ready at the bottom right and click on Sign Here. On the next page, enter an epic nickname for your hunter and click Sign. After you complete all of your tutorials, go ahead and look for the menu button at the top right corner and tap on it. From here, click on Supercell ID and then click the next buttons until you see the Get Started button and tap on it. Now, if you don't have a Supercell ID, you'll need to create one. To do so, click on Create a New ID and click Continue. You'll then need to create a new ID by entering your email, re-entering it once again and clicking on Create. Verify yourself, and once you have your player ID, you can then easily start playing the game. If you do have an existing Supercell ID, click on Yes, Log Me In and click Continue and enter your email address associated with your Supercell ID and click Login. Now enter your verification code that has been sent to your respective email address that you just entered. Go ahead and find the Supercell login code sent to you via email and type it down in the text boxes. Finally, click Submit and you will then be able to connect with your account. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed up for Moco. After you are done with it, you can now save your progress and access cross-game features. That was how you can easily create a Moco account or get started with Moco. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.